Thank you, Andy. Sai TV garu ikkada vachi they are taking our coverage, and we are so happy about this. First of all, the reason I started football here is to promote football in these places. I come from a place where we have players like Olympian Kannan, India players like Pratap Silan, Amal Raj, and now the past generation we have Akil Anand, Arun Kumar, and Joshua and Emmanuel. These kind of players we have produced from our area, which is a cantonment area, Secunderabad. And now we have come here to produce these kind of players in Hyderabad itself. Our only motto is to make sure that India gets big players, star players like Amal Raj and Pratap Silan, and where Kannan was Olympian Kannan was the one of the best players in those days. So nowadays we cannot find those quality players, and our motto, our vision is to get good players for our state and for the nation. And this academy I have started just 3 months back, and now we can see the result. And we want to make sure that through sports, our nation gets healthy sportsmen. And my all wishes to Sai TV that they are covering this from past few days, and I wish them all the best for this, for the future. Today, as we are conducting this tournament, we can see under 8 categories and under 12 and under 15. The reason why I've kept this under 8 and under 12 is because 8 years, 12 years football are mostly ignored. Wherever if you will find all above 15 players coming and playing and all. Like they are encouraging above 15 players. The tournaments have been conducted for only above 15 players. But here, from age, we have kids from age 5 to 15. So my whole concentration is from age 5 to 12. So the reason why I have organized this tournament is to encourage these kids from the grassroots level. So that in future, after 4 or 5 years, these people will play states, junior states, and senior states. And to that matter, they can also play India. So I have coaches here who are well trained, who are organized, and I have coaches who have done the license. And more than license, what I would tell as a football player, having been experienced for past 30 years, more than license, the experience counts. An experienced coach is very important for nowadays. Nowadays, we can see people are getting just license just doing 45 days or 30 days, something like that. But when they come to the ground, they don't have experience. But with us, in our academy, we have experienced coach, the coaches who have played football at least for 20 to 25 years. And today, I'm so happy that Don Bosco High School has given this place. Father Peter is the reason for all this thing. Father Peter, the principal of this school, has really placed a platform for football to increase in our state. Our state needs football players like Baichin Bhutia, football players like Sunil Chetri. And today, we can achieve this dream by having these premises here. Thank you very much for this, Sai TV. I hope Sai TV all the best. Thank you. This tournament is conducted for 2 days, under 8 and under 12. Under 8 and under 12 will be played on day 1, which is Saturday, and Sunday, under 15 will be played. And after under 15, we have final celebrations where we'll have small celebrations like carols and small songs and all, because Christmas is coming. So during evening from 3 to 5, we'll have this small cultural activity, and also we'll have finals on that particular day. Thank you.